morning students. This semester I am going to handle unconventional machining process subject. The code of the subject is 16MW14. Let's enter into the general view of the subject. Okay, it consists of total 5 units. First unit is about an introduction about an unconventional machining process, and second thing is about a mechanical process. In that AGM, abrasive jet machining, water jet machining process will be we will see in detail. And third unit is about an electrical process. It is white cut EDM and the EDM process. And fourth unit is about a chemical process, chemical machining, etching process. And last unit is about a thermal process. So this is the general overview of an unconventional machining process subject. Let's see about an introduction part. That introduction part, first we will say about conventional manufacturing process and unconventional manufacturing process. What is the difference between conventional and unconventional manufacturing process, and in how way it is different from conventional, and what are the advantages behind an unconventional machining process will be seen in detail, and types and process selections as well as conventional manufacturing process. See here the material which undergoes a manufacturing process, conventional manufacturing or unconventional manufacturing process, and final stage is about a component or a product. So in between a raw material to a final product, some kind of a manufacturing process will be there. That intermediate process is manufacturing. It can be either be a conventional or unconventional. Conventional manufacturing process. During machining of an order material, chips and unwanted. So now we will discuss about a conventional manufacturing process. So what are the things will happen? Chips and unwanted byproducts, removal and recycling, costly process, which is a poor degree of accuracy, larger cutting force and heat will be generated, undesirable deformation and residual force. So these are the basics of an conventional machining processes. Okay. Unconventional manufacturing process. Over the drawbacks of conventional manufacturing process, tools are not employed. So the main thing is about there is no direct contact between the tool and the workpiece. So let us take an example of a lathe. Here the tool will be fixed in the tool, whereas an workpiece will be fixed at the chuck. The tool will direct contact between the tool and the workpiece so that material removal takes place. But whereas in unconventional machining process there is no direct contact. So if there are no direct contact, so there is no possibility of an wear and tear will be there, heat generation will be reduction. So some kind of an advantages are will be there. So this is the main important and advantages of an unconventional machining process, why people are choosing most unconventional process in the current scenarios. This is the general difference between a conventional manufacturing process and non-conventional manufacturing process. You just have a look about that red area. This is the key point. Here macroscopic chip formation will be there. Here no chip formation will be there. So second point is about there is a physical tool present. Here won't be any physical tool present. Here the material removal takes place due to cutting forces. Here there won't be any physical tool present. Okay. Here tool should be harder than the workpiece. That should be in condition. But whereas in which do not necessarily use mechanical energy to provide material removal. Okay. Which involves a direct contact, and whereas in conventional is less accuracy, whereas in unconventional is high accuracy. Then see about and it is in economically good. This is not suitable for economically good. Here tool life is less, here tool life is more. High wastage of material will be there. Here only lower wastage of material, which is a noisy operation. It's quieter operation. Low capital investment, but main drawback of an unconventional machining process is high capital cost. This is the first disadvantages. Then easy to set up, this is complex to set up. Then skilled or unskilled labors may be required. Here only skilled labors may be required. While see about the last three thing is the main disadvantages of an unconventional machining process. But other than that, this is a quite interesting and an important manufacturing process, which is at present scenarios unconventional manufacturing process play a vital role in all over the world.